Hey, today we're diving into a topic that crosses every guy's mind at some point. How do you actually make a woman miss you? Whether it's someone new you're talking to, a longtime girlfriend, or even someone where the spark feels like it's fading, this video is going to break down how you can reignite her interest and get her thinking about you when you're not around. But a quick heads up, this isn't about playing mind games or being manipulative. It's about becoming the kind of man she naturally desires and values. So sit back, lock in, and let's get started. 1. Embrace the power of space. One of the most overlooked yet powerful ways to make a woman miss you is by giving her space. It might sound counterintuitive, especially if you really like her, but constantly being present in her life can actually dull the spark. When you're always available, whether through texts, calls, or being physically around, there's no room for her to feel your absence. And missing someone only happens when there's a noticeable gap between moments of connection. Think about this. If she knows you're always going to be there, there's no sense of urgency or excitement. But when you step back, even just slightly, it gives her time to reflect on how it feels not to have you around. That's when she starts to realize the value of your presence. Now, don't confuse this with disappearing or playing hard to get. That's not the goal. You're not ghosting her, you're creating a healthy balance. For example, instead of texting her from morning till night, focus on having a couple of meaningful conversations during the day. Or if you're always initiating plans, skip a day and let her make the first move. This subtle shift triggers curiosity. She'll begin to wonder what you're doing, why you're not reaching out like usual, and that wondering is what creates emotional engagement. By making her feel your absence in small doses, you create space for her to actually miss you, and that's where true attraction grows. 2. Build a purpose-driven life. If you want a woman to genuinely miss you, one of the most powerful things you can do is build a life centered around purpose. Women are naturally attracted to men who have direction, ambition, and passion. When you live with intention, you instantly become more intriguing and desirable. Think about it. If your whole world revolves around her, she'll start feeling overwhelmed or even smothered. But when she sees you chasing goals and improving yourself, she'll not only admire you, but also start missing the energy you bring. Start by asking yourself, what excites you? Is there a skill you've always wanted to learn, a fitness goal you've been putting off, or a dream you've neglected? Maybe it's time to travel, create something, or start a side hustle. Whatever it is, dive in. The more fulfilled you are as a person, the more magnetic you become. When she notices that you're not constantly seeking her attention, but are instead busy building a fulfilling life, it triggers a sense of respect and curiosity. She'll start to wonder what you're up to and why you're not chasing her. And that's when she starts to feel your absence. Living a purpose-driven life isn't just about impressing her. It's about becoming someone you're proud of. And the bonus? She'll miss being part of the journey you're on. Focus on your mission, and the right woman will want to come along for the ride. 3. Create mystery in your interactions. Mystery is one of the most underrated tools in attraction. When everything about you is predictable or too easy to figure out, there's nothing left to explore. And without that curiosity, it becomes hard for her to miss you. People are naturally drawn to what they don't fully understand, so a little bit of intrigue can go a long way. That doesn't mean being dishonest or playing games. It's about revealing just enough while keeping some parts of your life and thoughts private. For instance, if she asks what you're doing this weekend, don't break down every single detail. Instead of saying, "I'm going to the gym," then grabbing lunch with friends, then watching Netflix, say something like, "Got some things lined up? I'll tell you about them later." By not giving her the full picture, you allow her imagination to do the work. She might start wondering where you are, who you're with, and what you're doing, and that mental attention is exactly what creates longing. It also keeps her emotionally engaged and invested. Mystery keeps things exciting. It makes her feel like there's more to discover about you, and that keeps her coming back. So, let her ask questions. Let her be curious. Don't always give everything away. When she doesn't have you fully figured out, she'll keep thinking about you, and that's how you stay on her mind when you're not around. 4. Show that you're not always available. One of the biggest mistakes guys make when they're into someone is being constantly available. It's understandable. You like her, so you want to show up, respond quickly, and be there whenever she needs something. But the truth is, being too available can actually backfire. It can make you seem too eager, too dependent, or like you have nothing else going on in your life. What you want to do instead is set clear boundaries around your time and energy. If she texts or calls while you're in the middle of something important, whether it's work, the gym, or spending time with friends, don't drop everything to respond. Wait until you're free. That small act sends a powerful message. Your life doesn't revolve around her. This isn't about ignoring her or playing games. It's about showing self-respect. It communicates that your time is valuable and that you're a man with responsibilities and purpose. That, in turn, makes your presence more meaningful when you do give her your attention. When you're not always at her beck and call, she'll begin to notice the contrast. She'll start appreciating the moments she gets with you more because they're not constant. They're special. And when something is special, people tend to miss it when it's gone. Be present when you're with her, but don't be overly accessible 24/7. The right balance between connection and independence is what makes her want more. 5. Make the time you spend together meaningful. If you really want her to miss you, it's not about spending more time together. It's about making the time you do share unforgettable. Quality always wins over quantity. A single, deep and engaging experience can leave a much stronger emotional impression than days of casual, unmemorable moments. Think about how you can create standout memories. Maybe you plan a fun date doing something you've both never tried, like taking a cooking class or going to a scenic spot she's never been. Or maybe it's a cozy night in with no distractions, where the two of you can have a genuine, vulnerable conversation. Those are the types of moments that stick in someone's mind. Even small things, like how you listen, how you make her laugh, or how you show her you understand her, can create emotional anchors. When she remembers those good times, those feelings get attached to you. So when you're not around, she won't just be missing your physical presence, she'll be missing how you made her feel. Also, don't underestimate the power of digital communication. A sweet message, a funny meme, or a thoughtful voice note at the right time can keep that connection alive even when you're apart. But again, make it meaningful. The goal isn't to do more, it's to do better. When every interaction with you feels special, she'll start to crave that experience. And when you're not there, she'll notice, and she'll miss it. 6. Post purposefully on social media. In today's world, your social media isn't just a place to share selfies or funny clips, it's a window into your life. If used wisely, it can subtly remind her of you and spark interest without you having to say a word. But there's a big difference between posting with intention and trying too hard to get her attention. Avoid the temptation to post just to make her jealous. That almost always comes off as insecure or desperate. Instead, use your online presence to highlight the parts of your life that reflect growth, fun, and purpose. Think. A photo of you hiking an amazing trail, cooking something new, enjoying time with friends, or working on a passion project. These glimpses into your life send an important message. you're doing well, enjoying yourself, and you're not dependent on her for happiness. That's attractive. It shows confidence, independence, and ambition, all traits that make someone naturally intriguing. When she sees you living fully without constantly chasing her, it quietly signals that you're valuable. And the irony is, the less you try to prove it, the more she notices. Your goal isn't to flaunt your life, but to reflect it. When you post with subtlety and purpose, she'll be reminded of what you bring to the table, and over time, those images, stories, and updates can leave her wondering what it would be like to be part of your world again. 7. Maintain your confidence. Confidence is the foundation of attraction. Without it, everything else starts to fall apart. But here's the thing. True confidence isn't loud or flashy. It doesn't mean acting cocky or putting on a fake persona. Real confidence is quiet, grounded, and comes from knowing your worth, regardless of external validation. Let's say you text her and she doesn't respond right away. A confident man doesn't freak out or start double texting. He doesn't take it personally. He knows he's enough, and that his value isn't tied to someone else's reaction. That kind of steady energy speaks volumes. Confidence also shows up in how you carry yourself, your posture, your tone, your ability to stay calm under pressure. But most importantly, it shows in how you handle uncertainty. When you're okay with not having constant reassurance, you radiate a kind of security that most people find deeply attractive. Women are drawn to men who are sure of themselves, who have a life they enjoy, and who aren't rattled by temporary silence or distance. When you're confident, you don't chase, you attract. You don't need constant attention, and that actually makes others want to give you more of it. So stay grounded. Know what you bring to the table. When she sees that unshakable confidence, even when things don't go your way, it plants a seed of curiosity and admiration. She'll start asking herself, what is it about him that makes him so sure of himself? And just like that, she'll start to miss you. 8. Limit communication to build tension. Here's a powerful truth. Sometimes less is more. When it comes to communication, especially early on or during a reset period in a relationship, holding back just a bit can create powerful emotional tension. Not tension in a negative sense, but in a way that builds excitement, interest, and desire. If you're always the one reaching out, sending the good morning texts, making the calls, initiating every conversation, she may start to take your presence for granted. The dynamic becomes one-sided, and that can reduce the emotional impact of your attention. Instead, try creating small gaps in your communication. Skip the daily texts now and then. Don't always reply instantly. Let her wonder what you're up to. This doesn't mean ghosting or playing cold. It means allowing space for her to step forward, for her to initiate sometimes. Think of it like this. If your favorite show aired every single day, it would start to lose its impact. But when there's a wait between episodes, that anticipation builds. The same goes for conversations. When you're not always available, she starts to crave the connection more. And when you finally do talk, it feels fresh, exciting, and meaningful. That moment of silence you give her isn't empty. It's a chance for her to notice your absence, and once she does, she'll start to feel your presence even more deeply. That's when she starts missing you, not because you forced it, but because you allowed space for it to happen.